This is the 1990 Ford F-150, and people literally called it the king of the American road. By the late 1980s, the F-150 wasn't just a pickup anymore, it had become the single best-selling vehicle in the entire country. Sedans, minivans, sports cars, none of them outsold Ford's truck. For the first time, the F-150 wasn't just working on farms and job sites, it was showing up in suburbs, at shopping malls, and in front of schools. Ford saw the shift and leaned into it. They introduced luxury trims, like the XLT Lariat, turning the once basic workhorse into a truck with plush interiors, chrome accents, and features nobody imagined in a pickup 20 years earlier. Leather seats, power windows, even cassette decks and CD players. The F-150 was now competing with family cars in comfort while still pulling heavy trailers on the weekends. And the formula worked. Americans fell in love with the idea of owning a truck that could do everything. It could carry kids to school Monday through Friday, haul lumber on Saturday, and still look polished enough to park outside a nice restaurant at night. Underneath the new comforts, Ford kept the toughness. Bigger engines, stronger frames, and improved safety features kept the F-150 ahead of Chevy and Dodge. By the mid-1990s, it was outselling its rivals by hundreds of thousands of units per year. The 1990s also marked the beginning of a cultural shift. Trucks weren't just tools anymore. They became part of American identity. Owning an F-150 meant you weren't just practical. You were powerful, independent, and ready for anything. That image helped cement Ford's dominance for decades to come. Today, collectors love these 1990s F-150s because they bridge two worlds: the last generation of old-school toughness and the first wave of luxury trucks. Clean, well-kept models fetch strong prices at auctions, especially rare trims and special editions. And this is only one part of the story. We're creating a full series on the history of trucks, from the first post-war F1s to the hybrid and electric pickups of today. If you're a truck fan or a history lover, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video.